Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making this copycat Starbucks vanilla bean frappuccino. This is super easy and quick. I'm going to leave everything I used in the description box below. So I'm going to be starting off with some ice. I will actually double that ice because I added more ice at the end. And I'm going to pour in my vanilla bean frappuccino that I got from the store. And I got this vanilla powder from Amazon. I'm going to do like 6 scoops. I added double the amount at the end. So now I'm going in with this Da Vinci vanilla syrup, and I just added a little bit, and just add a little as you go. You can always adjust the taste at the end after you taste it. Just add a little more. You don't want to add too much and then realize it's too sweet or whatever. So while that's blending, you can just decorate your cup. As you can see, I used a little bit of salted caramel drizzle just to give it a little razzle dazzle, and I'm just going to pour my frappuccino into that cup. Top it with some whipped cream and more caramel drizzle, and that is your vanilla bean frappuccino. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give me a like, a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos, and I will see you in my next video.